Yes, sir. You see that? That's how you like it. Extra cheesy.
That's what you meant.
What's going on, guys? I'm Wolf.
And I'm Maya.
And welcome to another episode of Foodie
Moodi,
where we cook the foods
that we're in the mood for.
Yes. All right. So what are we cooking today, Maya?
Philly cheesesteak egg rolls.
That's right. Today we are making some Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Real simple recipe, real simple meal. I know there's a lot of recipes on there, but it's not gonna taste like mine. So come on in, let's just bring it right into it. So, what you're gonna need today is some steak. I have some ribeye steak right here. You can do that little box cheesesteak that they have at the store. I'll put a picture right now, what it looks like, but nothing's better than some fresh steak. So I diced up some steak. We got some green pepper, red pepper, some onions, and this is the stuff that I'm gonna season my steak with. Total seasoning. We're gonna put some beef flavor on the beef to make it more beefy. Some Creole seasoning, salt, pepper, and you know the vibes. And also, we're gonna need some egg rolls. Make sure they're thawed out. For the most part, I think every store freezes these. So make sure you thaw it out overnight. And let's just get right to it.
Yeah.
First things first, dice up some onions. Real simple. My onions already clean. So I'm gonna just dice this up real quick. This. Real simple here. How's the lighting, baby?
Good.
Alright, cool.
Nice and functional.
Alright.
Make sure to not cut yourself.
Yep, don't cut yourself. I've cut myself plenty of times. There go Maya or Ivory in the background. So make it nice and small. You know, if we were making regular cheesesteaks, I'd do them in like slices. But I'm gonna dice these up a little small. Alright. Alright, once you're done with this, go ahead and dice up everything. Really.
Yeah.
Alright. Red pepper. Now this is red bell pepper. Just for color. You can use just green if you want. But I like to see the colors in my food.
I love it.
Me too, huh?
Yeah, they're so good.
So good.
The bell pepper.
Just dice these up small too.
Nice and crunchy.
Nice and crunchy. I like my veggies crunchy, so I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm not gonna leave them in there cooking too long. Alright, dice. Nice and small.
Nice.
Y'all see my ashy hands? Yeah, that's what it looks like when you wash your hands.
Daddy, you know what I like about your videos?
What you like?
I like that when we always cook, they are good.
So delicious, huh?
Yes, they're better than anybody's.
Yup. Just tell them, man.
That's my favorite part.
They got to try the recipes.
I know. There's nobody else just like you, Daddy, that was gonna make it.
Green pepper. Do this one too. Same way, guys. We just gonna
Dice it up.
Yup. You know the vibe.
Little pieces.
Little pieces. So I'm probably just gonna fast forward this part for you guys. This is probably boring to you, ain't it? Right.
Because you chop fast.
Yeah.
Like
You could also get put some mushrooms in there. Whatever you like in your Philly cheesesteak, put it in your egg rolls. Don't let nobody tell you what to put in here. I'm gonna put some jalapenos in mine. So you know, like just put
I
it up.
love spicy stuff.
Spicy stuff is cool.
Cool to me. I'll go with the flow.
I think that's plenty. All right, and now just put some oil in the pan, and let's get to cooking these. Let's go.
I'm
Gonna put some oil on this thing, and we're gonna get these veggies cooked down. Right? Real simple. 2 seconds. Put this thing down. Now, depending on how you like your veggies, you can leave it long or pick it up. We like it a little bit crunchy in our sandwiches and stuff, so not too crunchy, but we're just gonna cook it down. I like to season it a little bit too. A little bit of total seasoning, nothing too major. Alright. That's good. We just pretty colors.
I want to try.
Grab a little bit of butter. Alright? Take some with my add some butter for some flavor, alright? This is how I do it. I don't want anybody in my comments telling me how to make Philly cheesesteak. This is how I make it, alright? How I make my steak.
I can already smell it.
Alright, so next step. Throw your steak in there. Alright? Throw your steak in there. This is what I do. Put a little bit of total seasoning in there. And again, season the way you want to. Do you. I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna put some beef flavoring in there. I usually put adobo as well. I ran out, so I'm gonna put some Creole seasoning on there. Alright, don't over season it. Because you're gonna have the cheese that's gonna be salty. And, you don't want to over salty it. Let this down. Again, ribeye steak, the most flavorful steak. Let it get brown.
I can see one already. You guys are here, you would love this smell.
That's so good, guys. Y'all understand.
I love this weather.
Alright. I'm gonna taste to see if I have enough seasoning. Alright. Good. A little bit more Creole seasoning and we're good. A little bit of Creole seasoning. I see a little bit of pepper in that thing too. There you go. Again, I'm going to add a little bit more butter in there. I'm going to add a little bit more butter in there. Bring out that flavor. Make it nice and rich and buttery. Nice and greasy. That's what we like when we get a Philly cheesesteak. I want no healthy Philly cheesesteak. Perfect. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. Put your provolone cheese. You know what I like to do? I like to put like a cheese and a half of provolone cheese because we like it cheesy. All right. Then you get your cheesesteak, your steak that you just cooked. Throw some on there. Throw a little bit on there like that. A little bit like this. Now you spread it nice and, you know, even. You don't want to stuff this too much. All right, hold on, let me put this here. Now, what I do, I get, where's my other cheese? I get some more cheese, Monterey Jack, just to sprinkle on top. You know, we like that cheesy effect whenever we cut into it. Now I get some water, you know, I kind of dip on the sides, get this a little loose. Alright. So what I do is I fold this side in and make sure these are tucked in right here, alright? And then you grab the front and you roll her. Get her nice and tight. You know, give her a nice little roll. She might give you problems at first, but work with her. She's stubborn. Uh-oh. And I grab a little bit of egg and I close it up. Just like that. Oh! We're gonna do another one.
Third time.
A half on here. Then I get some steak. Throw it on there. Alright, not too much. I get some cheese. Some more cheese. Shredded Colby cheese. Alright. And then like that. Grab some egg yolk. Alright, so I fold this side and make sure this is shut. They like to open on you. Make sure this is just sealed shut right here. Sealed shut. Sealed shut. All right, now you come around and you just roll her. Just like that. And there you go, egg roll. We're gonna do that as many times as we need to. Sorry about the first one, a little raggedy. We're gonna redo her. You know, sometimes just take a minute. Don't worry about it. And this is what people don't like to show you in videos. Yup, sometimes you just don't roll them right. Alright, we're not perfect around here, ain't that right, Maya?
Yeah.
We make mistakes.
Yeah. All people make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. So you grab an egg roll sheet.
Just try your best.
Alright? You grab this leftover. Alright. Grab some more. My hands are clean. Don't worry about it. Alright. Put it right here. I think what I didn't do right was I didn't lock it in. Alright. So let's close this. Lock it in. Make sure she's loose. She's a little rough from the ride on the truck. We're gonna loosen her up. I'm gonna close this thing up. You tuck her in there. You give her a roll ski. Get some little of that egg yolk.
Zersky.
Yeah, Zersky. And here we go. There we go. Uh-huh.
Too perfect.
Uh-huh. And I'm gonna keep rolling them. Y'all get the point.
Perfect.
All right. Now that we got everything, oil's hot. We're just gonna drop it in there. Actually, I'm not gonna do it like that. Let's use this here.
To be careful.
Yes, sir. About 3 minutes. About 3 minutes. Drop these beautiful things in here.
You ready?
All right. Set it out.
Ooh, that was,
All right.
first it was all soft, and now it's all hard. Oh. Be careful.
Come here, bring it over here. Bring it over here, let them see. Yes, sir. See that? That's how you like it. Extra cheesy.
That's what you meant. You see it?
All right, guys. Let's go and try this. You ready? Grab one. Grab a piece, baby.
Very good.
Look at this sauce. Zoom into that. Let them see it. You see it, man?
Focus.
So this is my little spicy sauce, spicy Cajun sauce I made.
Is it good?
Cheesy.
Best. You know, it tastes like bacon.
It's a lot. Let me see which one is the hottest. I'm gonna show y'all. This one's hot.
You got chest.
Tasty, nice and tender steak. Cheesy
And crunchy.
and crunchy.
And next time, you guys, you definitely need to make it for dinner. This is so good.
Oh.
Hot. It's hot.
Come down.
Okay, that
Get
looks
empty.
hot.
There you go. There you go. Like that, Maya. Go.
That looks hot.
Maya, go like this.
Is that hot? Is that hot? That looks like it.
You drooled
Let me tell y'all something.
on the table. Or the cheese.
It's tasty. But it's greasy. But it's tasty.
You're so funny.
Here,
The most part I really like, I like the sauce because it has a nice touch.
Oh, wow.
Hot. Good, man.
That's very good. It's legit. Reminds me of Philly.
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys. You guys should just comment down below and watch our videos. We make the best. Oh, and you should check the video that we did lobster.
That's her favorite one, guys. She love that lobster one.
Oh, his gumbo, that's my most favorite one. I love the crab legs. They're so good. I want you to make it once again for dinner.
But anyways, guys,
Gumbo.
this is our Philly cheesesteak egg rolls.
They're good.
Hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it.
Comment down below and
Real
hit that
simple.
subscribe button.
Yeah, she said it right. Just hit that subscribe button. Everybody that's been subscribing,
Gang,
thank
gang.
you so much. Thank you so much. We almost at 1,000. Woo! For someone that doesn't post a lot, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a big deal for me. So
Yeah,
thank you guys. And we're just gonna knock this out.
Let's have it for dinner.
All right, guys. I'm gonna holler at y'all later.
Peace.
Peace.
Gang, gang.